Zoho Recruit tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zoho Recruit. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Zoho Recruit, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Zoho Recruit, it is a cloud-based recruitment software that combines an applicant tracking system with candidate relationship management or CRM capabilities designed to streamline the hiring process for staffing agencies and corporate HR teams, in which it offers a comprehensive suite of tools to manage jobs, posting, track applicants, and facilitate seamless communication throughout the recruitment lifecycle. And some of the key features including the AI-powered resume parsing, automated workflows, customizable dashboards, and integrations with over 75 boards to maximize candidate reach. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click sign up for free button right here, where all you need to do is to simply fill out your full name, your email address, your password, your phone number to sign up. And after signing in, you will be directed in here where you can start accessing the Zoho Recruit. And after that, on this homepage or dashboard, it will show you how you can get started or how to start setting up your account. We have here to complete your company profile verification by clicking this one. You'll be directed on a page where you need to verify your company by filling out all of the required information such as your company name, your website, and many more. You could also upload the logo, the favicon, brand color, and even the portal URL in here. And aside from that, you could also navigate here some other options such as the general, users and control, and many more. Now going back to this homepage, from here you can start tracking some of the data including the hiring pipeline, time to fill, time to hire, such as some of the job opening lists, client, and many more. In which if you scroll down below here, it will show you some other data including the age of job, all the list of activities, all of your actions, history, and many more. So you should be able to see here all of the lists of your employees who have been recruited. Now under this job opening, you can start creating a job opening by filling out this required information such as the posting title, the contact name, assign recruiters, and many more. For starting this posting title, I'm going to start by entering, for example, the research assistant. And after that, it will show us in here that it has been created. You'd also start creating a new contact to select the contact name by filling out the first name, last name, the client name, email address, work phone number, or mobile phone number in here. And after that, just click the save button below to proceed. And upon doing so, it will automatically add a new contact in here, as you can see. By clicking save and associate in here, you should be able to see on the list or in the form that has been added. You could also assign a recruiters, or I'm going to choose my account in here. And even the target date or the date that you're looking to hire a specific position for research assistant. You'd also enter the job opening status, which is in progress, and the industry, the position of the job in here. And also the salary. For example, I'm going to enter 2,000. And on the right side panel, you could also enter the work experience and also the required skill. For example, the work experience is 1 to 3 years. And right here under required skills, you can simply enter what kind of skills are required to job position as a research assistant. For example, researcher. But you could also select the skill set depending on the requirement that you prefer. And after that, below you would also enter or fill out the address information such as the city, country, province, zip code, or postal code, the job description, benefits, and attachment of the resume in here. And if you're now done, just click the save button on the top right corner, or you click the save and publish to publish it after saving it. And aside from that, from here you could also start choosing a job template that you prefer so that you don't need to find or look for a specific kind of format or layout. So as you can see, it is now currently added the job posting. Moving on, under these candidates, we can navigate also the applications, where from here you can track all of the applicants that has been submitted the resume or apply for the job of our job posting. You could also navigate the interviews in here. By clicking the create interview, you can start creating a formal interview video or even log an interview. Now under clients option, in here it will show you the list of your clients, including the client's name, contact number, and any other details. While under this contact, it will show you all of your contacts list. And now aside from that, by clicking these three dots right here, it will show us that we can navigate campaigns, Zoho Marketplace, Analytics, forecasts, assessments, and many more, in which all of those can help us to start recruiting specific employees for our job openings that we prefer to offer. And aside from that, if you're looking for any kind of feature, you can click the All Apps button on the top right corner, and it will show you all of the apps that we could also use that might help us in our recruitment process. However, some of those need to have an upgrade account in order to access or use it. So as you can see from here on the homepage, Zoho provides an advanced analytics and reporting tools to help HR professionals stay on the top hiring trends and make a data-driven decisions. And since this platform emphasizes automation to reduce manual tasks such as interview scheduling and candidate communication, thereby enhancing efficiency and improving the overall candidate experience. And with its robust compliance and security measures including GDPR and certifications, Zoho Recruit ensures that the sensitive candidate data is handled securely. And now to navigate some other features, you can simply click on the top right corner this onboarding wizard option. Well, by clicking the setup or settings option in here, it will show you some of the settings including about customization, career website, job onboarding, resume management, and many more. Now for example, under customization, we can start clicking this hiring pipeline, in which it serves as a visual and functional tool to track and manage the progress of candidates through various stages of recruitment process. So from here you can set up the tags, colors such as screening, submissions, interview, and many more, and even customize the homepage that you prefer in here. So basically its main purpose is to simply help recruiters organize their workflow, ensure no candidate falls through the cracks, and maintain a smooth, consistent hiring process. From here it will show you the resume parser mapping, which is to fill out the required information for them to start applying for a job. Also have here this kind of formatted resume settings. Now under this portal setup, from here you can start setting up your own portal by choosing the domain name and any other details. Now going back on this page right here, you could also navigate some other options including the portal setup in here, and even the career website, job board hub, automation, to navigate the workflows, rules, in which when we try to click on it, it will show us in here some of the rule name, the module of it, the execution, and any other statuses that we should also follow in order to start hiring the right employees that we prefer on a specific job. If your archive applications rule, cancel interview rule, hard application rule, and many more. You can also navigate on the left side panel under this marketplace, the Zoho, to install or to set up the Zoho CRM, Zoho campaigns, Zoho people, and any other Zoho integration in here. Now all of those, aside from that, it is also accessible, the Zoho Recruit, via web, browsers, and mobile app, offering the flexibility for recruiters to manage hiring processes on the go, in which its scalability and customization options make it suitable for businesses of all sizes seeking to optimize their talent acquisition strategies. And with that, that is just basically how you can start using Zoho Recruit. Thank you.